Now, if you're looking for out and out cornering speeds and a lot of leaning, then Apollo Alpha H1 tires are probably the better choice for you. But if you are somebody like me who wants dual purpose tires, who's going to do a mix of highway touring, some off-roading, and the rest of the time going over bad city roads, I think the Tramplr XR should be the right fit. And does it suit the Duke 390? Absolutely. Tramplr XR can handle all the torque of the Duke 390. I've never lost grip. In fact, it's difficult to lose grip even when I open the throttle. It just goes to show how good the tires are. Pattern of the tires are so good. They're like claws that grip the edges of the broken road or potholes, or if you have to all of a sudden get off the road and onto a muddy patch on the side of the road. These tires excel in such environments. And I also have the Tramplr XR on the front of the Duke, so the grip is exceptional. Confidence to lean is never going to be as good as the Alpha H1 tires that are meant to be sports tires. The only gripe is that generates some tire noise while going on highway speeds. You feel like the air pressure is less or something, but the tires are absolutely solid, and also they are a little bit cheaper than the Apollo Alpha H1. So you can Google the prices of both for the latest prices. The Tramplr XR is working out well for the Duke 390. Would I recommend that tire? Absolutely. If you are looking for dual purpose tires where you are going to do a combination of touring, highway riding, bad roads, and off-roading, then certainly the Tramplr XR lives up to the reputation. And the ratings of both the tires are very high, and you're never going to reach those speeds on the Duke 390 anyway. All in all, Tramplr XR is a good fit and I would recommend it.